Hi everyone. For task 3 of lab 5, we need to connect special data sets. In step 1, from the lab 5 folder, add ncfooddeserts.ssp to the contents pane. So add to current map and make sure it displays on the top of NC health layer in drawing order. In step 2, project the NC food deserts layer to be in the same projection as NC health layer. So let us check the coordinate system for NC health. The coordinate system is NAD 1983, it's a plane, North Carolina, FFPS 3200 US feet, and the coordinate system for NC food deserts is NAD 1983, so we need to make them same. So you can use the project tool for that. Go to analysis tools and then type project in the project tool. So input data set will be ANSI food deserts, and then for output coordinate system choose ANSI health, and then you can run it. In step 3, open the attribute table of food deserts layer. So right click on the layer of food deserts and go to attribute table, and then you can examine its attributes. In step 4, to relate this layer to the county layer, right click ANSI health layer, select joins and relates, and then click add relate. In step 5, select or enter the following. So layer name is ANSI health, input relate field is name slad, relate table is ANSI food deserts project, and then output relate field is county, relate name is relate 1, and cardinality is 1 to many, and then click OK. In step 6, we need to select Mecklenburg County. In order to select that, we can go to map and then select by attributes, and then you can use the NC health layer and then add the clause where county is equal to Mecklenburg, and then click OK. So you can see the Mecklenburg County is now selected. And in step 7, open the NC health attribute table. So let us open it by right clicking and going to its attribute table and click show selected records button at the bottom left of the attribute table. In step 8, at the top right of the table, click the options and click related data, and then NC food deserts PRJ. So in question number 6, it says how many food deserts are in Mecklenburg County. So you note the number of food deserts. So this is 1, 2, 3. So count how many polygons are there. Previously, we also selected the Mecklenburg County, but you don't need to include that. So just write the answer, how many food deserts are there without using the selected Mecklenburg County. And then once you have answered question number 6, in step 9, close the NC food deserts PRJ table. So let us close it, and then you can clear the selection, go to map and then clear selection. In step 10, right click the NC health layer and then go to joins and relates and then remove all relates. Click yes. In step 11, right click the NC health layer and then go to joins and relates and then add special join. In 12, fill out the parameters as follows. So for target features, it would be NC health, and for join features, it is NC food deserts project. Keep all target features checked, and match options will be contains. Under the field, in the output fields list, scroll down and click lila tracks. And then for the merge rule, use sum and then click OK. Now in step 14, in the same way, sum the POP2010 field. So go to joins and relates, add special join. So it would be NC health for the target features. Join features is NC food deserts project 2, and then match option is contains, and then fields will be POP2010, and then merge rule will be sum, and then click OK. And in step 15, NC food deserts PRJ will be added to NC health attribute table. Step number 16, open the attribute table of NC health layer, right click the POP2010 field. So find POP2010 field. Right click it and then click summarize. In step 17, in the summarize dialog, enter the following. For input table, use NC health. Output table will be NC health statistics. And for field, use LILA tracks. Statistic type will be sum, and then use POP2010 field. Statistics type will be sum, and then also add obvious Part2 in the fields. So find obvious Part2. And then statistics tab for it will be mean. And then case field is NC health in cart. So find in cat. And then in step 18, click OK. If you see warning message about null, this is fine. So you can close it. In step 19, open NC health statistics from contents stand alone table. Open it. And then you need to make a graduated color map showing the number of food deserts by county, and also insert a text box with the summary statistics you just calculated. And you need to add necessary elements to the map. So you should have the health statistics which shows information about high income as well as low income and then middle income. Now we need to create map. Right click and see health layer for creating graduated color map, and then go to symbology, and you can choose the symbology you want to use, and then for the field you can simply use lila tracks and choose the method. You can assign the number of classes and also choose the color scheme. You will also need a screenshot of this for your map, so you can use the snipping tool and then save it. Now we are ready to create map. So go to insert and then choose new layout. You can close this attribute table and then choose the map frame. So go to insert and then map frame, and we want to use this map frame. You can zoom, and you can zoom to appropriate scale by activating and using the active tool. And once you are done, go to layout and then close activation, and then you can insert north arrow, and then you can also add legend, and this will show you the number of food deserts by each county in different colors. And then you can also choose skill bar and add title. We will also need a screenshot of the table that we want to use in our map. So maybe we want to add that too. So you can go to pictures and then add it. So once you have added all the necessary elements to the map and also added the table, you can now share your map. So in order to share your map, go to share and then export layout, and you can choose the file type is JPG, and you can give name to your layout and then export your map. And this is the end of lab 5. Thank you so much.